All right, hello. Today I'll be backtesting uh last week of March week 4, I believe. All right, starting out on higher time frame, seems like we are still all-time highs run, and we are trading into a daily gap right now. It's the weekly candle. All right, so we're trading into a daily gap. Um, we might go like see this gap here. Um, okay. I'm gonna get 4 hour down here. I don't think we're gonna get there though. Yes, same thing. We're in a daily gap right now. We didn't have much reaction off of it Thursday, or was that Friday? Friday on NQ had a bit of a reaction though. Mm, Mid time frame, it seems like we are a bit bearish. We have a 1 hour gap right above. Same for ES. Minute, we're respecting this 30-minute. We're trading in this like 1 hour technically. All right, let's see price. Okay, immediately go lower. Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like we tap into anything. All we get is this like stop hunt inside this 1 hour gap, which looks good. I like the built up LR here. We have an unmitigated gap as well. Let's see what ES did. ES also somewhat accumulation. We didn't really manipulate. Our manipulation on ES was to the upside, and then we tapped into the 1 hour gap. So our DOL is kind of compromised on ES. Yeah, we manipulated upwards. So yeah, we have sell side liquidity built here, buy side liquidity built here. Um, and honestly, there's a wick off this 1 hour as well. I'm a fade. It might go higher. Okay, yeah, good fade. It looks like we've kind of just added to the liquidity pool as well here on NQ. So we dump lower. Okay, we tap CE of the wick. Let's see, we have a 2 minute gap. That's not high. Highest time frame is a 3 minute gap, unfortunately. So ideally, I'll see a. Okay, that's just such fat displacement that you can't really like. Um, I mean that's like a big stop loss. So I'm gonna put it below like, put like body of this, and we'll target 1 to 1. Only problem is that. I mean, ES doesn't look that good. Didn't inverse the 3 minute either. Only problem is our, I mean, I'm with all this displacement, honestly, I believe NQ is gonna retap here, at least to the 1 hour gap. Okay, we took out this high, we took out almost all these. I think this is gonna play. Okay, there we go. A lot of chop, but eventually we get it. I do really like this trade. Nasdaq has all this sell side built up, or buy side, sorry. And then we can see the, I mean, on NQ, it looks really obvious. Accumulation, manipulation, and then our distribution up here. Oops, all right. The only problem with is that ES has like sell side built up. We didn't really manipulate into anything. Market open, we actually hit a 1 hour gap that was our target on NQ and then went lower. Obviously not that big of a reaction. We have these pretty big wicks here, and then we get the displacement on ES too. I wonder if ES actually had a better gap. I didn't even like look at 10 a.m. open what it did, the 4 hour and like 15 minute and all that. Kind of on me. There was a higher 1 hour gap. I think on both pairs, yeah. And also Nasdaq's manipulation to tap the CE of the 4 hour, which is also maybe like a 1 hour gap. Yeah, or like, oh my gosh. But we're in the 4 hours, so I don't think it matters too much. We'll see with my data and backtesting how much that matters. So I wonder, yeah, ES did take that out as soon as this hit. It's probably gonna take out that target too. Yeah. Oh, we actually go quite a bit higher. And then we kind of drop. All right, nice. You know, Mondays, you don't really expect that much, but that was actually all right. Ooh, okay, I see this like accumulation manipulation structure right here. Little PDI, market open. Oh, I mean, this looks too good to be true. Let's look at the daily bias. I mean, I wouldn't really want to take a trade like at open, like right before open, because then volatility would just never know, you never know. Okay, we have some of these kind of like slanted highs here. We can see these this major high, major low. We kind of edge this. We kind of have some reaction, bullish reaction off of like bullish PDAs and disrespecting bearish, as we can see. So I would likely expect this like range high, which is probably previous day high. No, it is a daily high though. Guys, look at the 1 hour. We are respecting this 1 hour gap. We have a 15-minute unmitigated right here. We tap this 15-minute, we're getting a reaction off of it. Honestly, I do see us going. My bias is going to be bullish, obviously. ES has some sell side built up. I don't think that's too significant, honestly. We're rejecting. What are we rejecting on ES? Something. We inverse this 1 hour. We're reacting off something. It's like 30-minute ITL. Okay. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if price just like rips higher here, to be honest. Like I do see price just hitting this 15-minute gap like immediately. Oh no. See, you never know. Okay, it does end up hitting it. Wonder if you get an entry. No, you don't. Oh, and then FX replay is bugged. All good though. Doesn't seem like you'd get an entry. Just wicking around here. Okay, so we are kind of manipulating higher. Okay, we can see that. Okay, so you do get a 30-second inversion. Did not see that. Low key, do you get? Oh, we do get a 1-to-1. Unfortunately, I missed that because FX replay was kind of bugging, but it's all right. That's low-key a good trade too. Displacement, I don't like the wick though. ES, what did ES do? ES didn't really do much. We have targets. Yeah, we hit the 15-minute gap. Okay, well, I'll be bearish now, especially if we're gonna, that big of a wick. There's a 1 minute. We're in a 2 minute now. Don't hit it. Okay, you inverse the 2 minute, but I don't really like. Well, our stop loss is high resistant. I think I'll take this trade. I'm kind of mad I missed the 30-second, but Low key. ES is about to take out these targets. Like I'll have to go break even there. We have session liquidity. Um, we are close to 9:45 opening. I think I'm gonna take this trade. Why not? Mainly because I missed the other one, and I'm gonna go break even like immediately. Oh god, this is not gonna look good. This is not a good trade. No, low key, I kind of want to go back and like take that 30 second. That 30 second was a trade of the day. For sure, for sure, for sure. Oh, that's so annoying. Alright, whatever. Next time I'll just refresh the app instead of just letting FX replay do whatever. Okay, so we're reacting off this daily gap. Now we can see same with ES, 4-hour time frame. Looks like we disrespected this 4-hour gap. Looks like we're going to take out these highs here that we have built up over the days. We have not inversed this gap yet. That's something to look out for. We inverse this as a 1-hour previous day high intact. Okay, I do like the idea of longs, but if we have a gap to support that. Okay, 15-minute. Same on yes. All right. And it seems here is kind of just chop. All right, let's see it. Oh, come on. It's looking too good. It's looking too good. Okay, we have a 15-minute down there on ES. We have a 1 hour or something. No. Again, that's kind of just our high time frame SMT. Oh wow, we're just dumping. We are just straight dumping. Or maybe we're not going to be taking maybe we're not taking longs here. 15-minute will close soon. I'd rather see what the 15-minute does. Okay, so 15-minute just violated all these PDAs. We're trading in this very well, actually, is that a 30-minute or something? We're trading in a 30-minute right now. So let's see, we're about to make 15 minutes in. Okay, so 9:45 opens higher. I wonder what is our highest time frame inversion? And it'll be like a 5-minute. I'd rather wait for like a stop hunt or something here. Okay, stop hunt. Oh wow. Now we are just straight. Oh yeah, I probably should have looked at this, huh? I can't short. But it's not really like sponsored or anything like that. I don't know how we'll react off this, so better to wait for the 15-minute to open. Okay, so there we go. 15-minute opens way up here, or closes, and have to go way up there. Yeah, low key. I don't think we're gonna do much anymore. Yeah. Shocked day. Shocked Wednesday. Okay, 4 hours Thursday now. And where were we? This was Wednesday's price action. We went down and then down during the session, and then we just went or we went up again. We inversed 4-hour. Looks like we're just reacting off of the EQ. here. Yeah. Okay, well that's something for our intermediate low we can retake. ES can just also same for ES basically. Alright, it looks like we are gonna do that 1 minute inversion. That is pretty slow. That is pretty slow, I can't lie. We're in a 2 minute as well. Wow. Honestly, I think this will hit though. I don't think we'll go lower without at least taking out these highs. I don't like how price was like very oh, we have a data high as well, it seems. Yeah, 830 data. We manipulated into this 4-hour ITL. ES did not really manipulate, but I think we'll definitely draw towards this here. Let's actually move that there. Boom. Banger trade. Nice. Really obvious. Data highs, super strong draw on liquidity. We also have all these, you know, slanted highs technically. Only problem is that we are reacting off of like a gap here, so this is kind of like high risk. We're not really reacting off anything, huh? No, not really. We kind of just put in an extra high. But we did manipulate a 4-hour internal low, react off of it. ES did not really do anything. Kind of just chopped around. NQ kind of took it, but the data highs were definitely like what I liked, and then this too. Especially if we want to go, if we do want to be bearish on the day, like I'd have us take out this. It looks like we do. No, just seems like we just chop around for the rest of the session. Nice. One more day, Friday. We have what, 1 loss so far? Which should have been a win because of FX replay, but it's all right. It's all right. Okay, we are still failing to take out highs. Where were we last time? We were right here. This was, yeah, this was what we did. Okay, but it seems like, wait, hold on, what time is it at? I feel like this is not adding up. Thursday, 4:58 p.m. Oh shoot. Okay, there we go. Now we're good. Okay, now we can see. It seems like we put in another high. ES is at all-time highs though. Dang. So weird. So uncorrelated. ES is going lower. We're in this 4-hour gap. Daily, weekly candles kind of just been doing nothing, to be honest. We have the 4-hour down here. We can be potentially drawing towards NQ. Also looks pretty, you know, bearish. Running through this 4-hour gap. We have not much. I mean, previous day low. We have session liquidity. This was that day we just dumped on Wednesday. Honestly, this day looks kind of bad. Oh wait, we're on Monday. Was Friday a holiday? Wait, hold on. I'm so confused. Oh yeah, Friday was a holiday. Also, we're on April 1st now. Alright, I'm gonna end it there then. Alright, so 58% win rate, slowly climbing. Unfortunately, we took a loss because of FX replay. Kind of mad at that. Should have been a win. Should have been a win. But it's alright. It's alright. You know, in the live market, I will have days like that where I'll hesitate or whatever. Yo.
Yo, just please. I'm on mute.